Hello, today we are invited to construct a biodigester for a minimalist house. This is a very small house, so we made calculation on how to construct a biodigester with a bio pit, pit I mean. So here is where we will construct the biodigester. We have two inspection chambers. Here is one. There are 4 toilets in this house. Here is the second one. For this one we have 2 bends. These 2 bends are created in order to make sure that all the waste materials come together into the center of this biodigester. So in case when you flush the toilet, so that it won't be touching the walls of this biodigester. Well, here is where we will construct the pit. Yes, we have an inlet pipe that will come into this biodigester to this pit. We have all the required materials for this work. So first of all, the materials involved in this work, we have the gravels. Here are some gravels. Here is the treated fiber, and we have the organico. Here it is, the fiber nets, our charcoal. This one bag, but we are not going to use the full one sack of this charcoal. Here are broken stones, the one that we will insert into the pit to absorb the water. We have pervious concrete here. Here is our pervious concrete. So everything is ready. We're gonna start the work now. Stay tuned. So as of now, due to little amount of space we have to first fill this place where we will install our digester system with gravel. This will serve as the second filter after the pervious concrete. It will serve as the second filter before the inlet pipe take the drain water required to be drained into the pit, and it will a little bit reduce the amount of water. This gravel will suck some part of the water from the system. Then we will use this charcoal to serve as the agent to reduce or to terminate all the bad odor from the system. Well, as you can see, this is our charcoal. So we have 2 options. It's either we insert our pervious concrete from this stage, or we're gonna put gravel again to grade it first, then insert it. So don't forget, this channel is practical structural engineering. Both our YouTube channel, Telegram, and WhatsApp, we are the ones constructing this biodigester. We have filled again, so we're gonna put this the pervious metal in the 4 corners, This is because we don't want both the wastewater to come in contact with the bedding materials. So we're gonna raise it. After putting it, then we will come and insert this fibrous concrete slab into the system. Then we put the coconut fiber into the system. So here we go. We have installed or insert the fibrous concrete. This fibrous concrete will strain the water. All the water from the wastewater that come into the system is the one that will drain it downward to the inlet soak pits. So now we have already inserted our fiber net. Look at it. When we input all the coconut fiber and everything, it's gonna hold it in place so that it won't enter to the downward filling materials or to block the inlet pipe. So it has to be surrounded all over. It has to be surrounded all over the place. So now we are going to input the coconut fiber into the system with the chemical. Then we are done with this part. Then we will move into the soak pit. So this is it, the coconut fiber. So we're gonna, first of all, we will spread it evenly, thoroughly throughout the places. Then we insert the organical agent. This is the chemical. So we have already spread it thoroughly, and we will now insert the agent. We are done with this part. We will now move into the soak pit. So here we go. Here is our soak pit. We will first fill it with these materials. So in this place, these are the broken stones. Yes. We will then insert gravel into it, like about either 30 to 40 mm size. So these are the gravels. We will then cover it with charcoal. As I said, charcoal will enhance the system. It won't allow, it will terminate any odor from both the biodigester and soak pits. And so also for this biodigester, the organic agent The agent we just inserted is not compulsory. You can do it without it. You can do it with just pure coconut fiber, treated coconut fiber into the system. So now we are done putting the charcoal, and that's all. Then we cover everything with the slab.